Regents exam, Algebra 1, August 2016, problem number 22. A system of equations is given below. Which system of equations does not have the same solution? In this problem, we need to determine which of the given system of equations does not have the same solution as the system of equations x plus 2y equals 5 and 2x plus y equals 4. We can determine this in a couple of ways. We could graph every single system of equations and verify by inspection which system does not have the same solution as the other three options. This would take quite some time since we need to solve for y for each system and graph all four systems. We can also find the solution of the original system and test the solution for every single option. The option that does not yield a true statement for both equations would be our answer. This method will also take some time. An alternative approach would be to analyze each system and determine if each equation in the system is a constant multiple of a number. Recall that an equivalent system of equations can be obtained by just multiplying the entire equation by a constant. For example, if we take the original system and multiply the first equation by 3, we would obtain the following. This new system of equations would still have the same solution as the original system of equations. Notice that this system matches option 1. This means that both of these system of equations have the same solution. We are trying to find the system that does not have the same solution as the original system. Let's now analyze the system of the second option. Here, it seems that the first equation has been multiplied by a number. In this case, it has been multiplied by 4. So, if we divide the first equation by 4, we would obtain the exact same equation from the original system. This means that this system also has the same solution. Moving along to option 3, we see that the first equation is the same as the original system, but the second equation seems to be modified. Looking at the equation, we see that it has been multiplied by 3. This means that this system also has the same solution as the original system. By the process of elimination, we know that our answer has to be the system from option 4. But just to make sure, let's see why this system of equations does not have the same solution as the original system. Notice that the first equation seems to be okay. It matches the first equation of the original system. So this is not the problem. Looking at the second equation, we see that it seems to have been multiplied by 2. But if that was the case, the constant should be 8 and not 12. Since this equation cannot be obtained by multiplying the second equation of the original system by a single constant, we can conclude that this system will not have the same solution as the original system. So option 4 is our final answer.